Hello, BIM learners. Welcome to BIMModel.com. So, in this video tutorial, we're going to see a user asked a question actually, how to control this section when it comes to a break line. So, we want to cut the line and see we don't want to have a line in between the object, and you see that it's a very complicated that sometimes we will have a very thin line or a less length, and we won't be able to find the section direction and how this behaves and how to control this particular line thickness, and we how do we do that. So one of the other option is that we used to have a setting in the view template that this property of this section we can dim the overall color, the grayscale it, we will be able to have a section which is shown on the plan, but which is will not be able to disturb our actual model. The other way is that these settings we have related to the section, we can go to the edit type and you can have the section tag. Actually, you can go to the section tag, and again this is another one type setting, so you can go ahead inside that you'll have a option broken section display style. How do you want it to show the broken section? So we'll have a control over this. We don't want to have a gap. We use sometime continuous also, which will have a different line pattern which helps us as well. So now if you see that it won't have a pattern, but you'll have a very thin hidden lines which helps us to see the model clearly. The section also will be there as a continuous line in this case. So with that, we will be able to control our model section drawings. You can have your own standard like this, and you can control them in your project. So this is one of the project settings, project template setting that you have to remember when you do your project's template setting. Do let me know if you have a specific question in the comment. We will be able to address that in a different tutorial. With that, thank you so much. Share it with your learning friends, which the video will be helpful for them as well. We are making a continuous video tutorials for users who is asking for the different tools and tricks options available in Revit. Bye bye.